What does this thing do?
That's for the chair.
Oh, yeah, that's...
¡Qué ricas están las obleas! ¡Yummy, yummy! Yo no quiero. A ver. ¡Ojos de Jenny! ¡Ojos de las obleas! ¡Sí!
I don't like this one as much as the other green apple one. Got a weird taste. Yeah. The one that I like is in like a short stout bottle.